Hey guys, sorry the video ended short because of this phone, but if you saw another video, like everything was shattered, but right now I'm jumping on my tree. Jumping as hard as I can, see if it'll fall. Feels like I'm laying in bed, but yeah, I didn't mean to end that short. And they might end up out of like the construction order, and my these two videos might end up out of order because it's like videos in short, but they might end up out of order. As you can tell, this is raining, so I might want to get off here. I almost slipped, but yeah. It feels nice if I can sit down in it, which I've already done, but I'm gonna head up to the porch. I've had so much fun. I'm about to have more fun in a sec. I might be going back down in the flood. I'm playing, and if I do, I'll end up videoing that because people probably will love it when I video, because people love my videos. I just feel like but I think that will end this video here, and yeah.